Siri can do a lot more than you may know of on your iPhone. Everything is organized into timestamps in the description below. The title of this video is how to best use Siri. So first I'm gonna show exactly that, and then we'll check out some exclusive Siri tricks. So without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? Hi there, this is Mufaddal with Apple Vibes, where you learn more about your Apple products. There are 4 ways to access Siri on your iPhone. The most common way is calling out Siri, "Hey Siri," or if you don't want to call Siri, long press the side button. Or you can also use back tab on your iPhone, or the most convenient one, tap on Assistive Touch, and there you have Siri. And if you don't prefer to say something, you can also type to Siri by long pressing the side button or back tapping or tapping on Assistive Touch. But when you enable this, you'll only be able to speak to Siri when you say "Hey Siri." All other features will open the Type to Siri interface. 2 features are available in Siri Settings, which can ironically be accessed using Siri itself. Take me to your settings. Enable the very first option here for "Hey Siri", then enable the second one for accessing Siri using the side button. For the next 2, we'll go to Accessibility, then Touch. First, Assistive Touch. Now, enable and assign Siri to either long press or double tap. Then back to Touch. At the bottom, to back tap, choose between double and triple tap and assign Siri to back tap here. The next step after accessing Siri, you may want to change these responding settings depending on your preferences. Where's the nearest McDonald's to me? Even when on silent, if Siri is still responding, with voice, and you don't want that to happen, well then under Siri Responses, change it to when silent mode is off. Siri looks classic with just the animation showing up and nothing else. But that's not the case with me. As an Indian, I want to see what I have said and if it is correct. That, and also it makes a lot more easy to understand if I can read what Siri replies in return as well, both of which can be enabled right from here. We know Siri is an AI, meaning it's much more than commands, which takes us to the search bar. You can straightforward ask Siri to search about anything from the internet. Steve Jobs.
Here's some information.
But where it gets intense is type the same in the search bar and look for Siri knowledge. Now you have like a deep info on that subject where you can study deeper into the matter if you want to. Next we have here is the Siri suggestion. The suggestions you wish to receive or not can be changed from the Siri settings again. And just like that, you'll get smart suggestions according to your own custom preferences. Now, Siri can be enabled to be used on the lock screen as well. But there are only certain commands that work without needing to unlock the iPhone. And mostly are info related commands like "Hey Siri, what's weather like today?"
It's currently partly cloudy and 26 degrees.
By the way, if you are enjoying this video, a subs to my channel would be awesome. And also do give it a thumbs up down there. Siri can also be used with the very powerful Siri Shortcuts recently added in iOS. And if you are into Siri Shortcuts, you should definitely check out my dedicated Siri Shortcuts playlist from the cards above. Starting with the one I use very often. Post to Instagram. Taking a photo or selfie discreetly using Siri is also possible. All I have to say is "say cheese," and I have a pic taken without a preview. Folks sleeping listening to music, this one's for you. Set a timer for how long you want the music to be played by saying "music timer." Start. Set the timer and you are good to go. AirDrop is a fast means to transfer files on the Apple ecosystem, and it gets better with this command using a Siri shortcut. AirDrop photos. Choose your pics and send them right away. Siri can also get what's trending on Twitter. Run check out Twitter Explore. These were 5 Siri shortcuts as an example. If you'd like to see more Siri shortcuts with Siri commands, please let me know in the comments below. Next are 12 Siri shortcuts that are exclusive and I think all Siri lovers should know about. You can ask Siri to get you an Uber to a specific destination. Get me an Uber to the international airport.
Which international airport? To confirm, there is one passenger?
Yes.
You'll need to open Uber to complete this request.
Again, with music, there are plenty of Siri commands for Apple's Music app, but there are for Spotify too. Play faded on Spotify. And I'm sure the majority using Spotify is bigger than what of Apple Music. Siri can place a call or text to your wife or brother without even mentioning their name. First, you'll have to tell Siri who's your wife from the contacts. Cherry is my wife.
Okay, do you want me to remember that Cherries is your wife?
Yes.
Okay, Mufattle, I'll remember that Cherries is your wife.
And then all you have to do is ask Siri, call my wife.
Calling Cherry. Mobile.
Alarms can be annoying to delete and also toggle on and off if you have got many. Well, not anymore. Delete all my alarms.
Do you want to delete all your alarms? I deleted all your alarms.
Toggle all alarms on.
I've turned on all your alarms.
Toggle all alarms off.
I've turned off all your alarms.
Texting with iMessages is a very common Siri command. But what you don't know is you can also send a text or make a video call using WhatsApp or a third-party app. Call Cherry on WhatsApp on a video call.
Making a video call to Cherry with WhatsApp.
It's important to know that if your device is lost, you can find it very quickly using Siri. That given, Find My Device settings is enabled on that device. Find my MacBook.
I can't tell if Mufattle's MacBook is nearby. Should I try to play a sound on it anyway?
Yes.
Looking for Mufattle's MacBook. Pinging it now.
Siri can open the Photos app, but it can also get you a specific album. And the best part here is if you have names saved for faces, you can get the pictures of a given face right away. Mufaddal in Photos. Now, as I said, sending a text is common, but what if you have dictated something to Siri and you want to change it? Just say change or edit and you can change that text right away. Send a message to DDCA.
What do you want to say?
Hello, how are you doing?
Ready to send it?
Change it.
Okay. Go ahead.
Hello, this is a test message from Apple Vibes.
Ready to send it?
Send it.
Okay. It's sent.
If settings for a specific app has to be accessed, you can simply ask Siri to do it for you by simply saying preferences instead of going to the hassle of going deep into the settings yourself. Likewise, any settings can be accessed by either asking directly for the setting or you can form a nice sentence like change my wallpaper. I hope you have learned how to best use Siri in this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Another video is coming soon with more than 100 Siri commands. Do subscribe to watch that. Thanks for watching. My name is Mufaddal. This is Apple Vibes. Take care and I will see you in the next video.